All right, boys and girls, hopefully you guys have been doing good. Today I'm going to be going over day 3 questions and day 4 assignment and a little bit of day 5, okay? So we're going to try and get it all done in the less of the 5 minutes. So day 3 was do the questions. I'm going to just go quickly over them. Day 4 is take a quiz and then begin to do your graphic organizer so you can write your paragraph tomorrow. So let's go quickly to that page. You guys probably hear Ace in the background. And Ace, nice. Okay, so here's the questions for yesterday. And what I have done here is just written the questions in sentence stems. And you, where it has the blank lines, you are supposed to answer it with your own answers. So for the first one, it said, what is the central message? Use the text evidence. So I want to go back and I want to show you see if it comes up. Yep, there it is. A quick review of what a central message is. Mainly what the story or the fable teaches you, the big idea of the story, what the author wants you to learn from reading the story, and a life lesson. Did you learn something from the cat and the fox? And if you did, how could you use it in a real life situation or event? So let's go back to our questions. And here it is. The central message of the story is, and then you write your answer in the text paragraph blank, paragraph 1 or 5 or 7, shows evidence when, and then you give me your answer. Again, I have provided you some couple sentence steps. This one is the story is a fable. How do you know? And it says the details to give details. I know the story is a fable because it has blank. It also, there is blank, which are all features of a fable. And I want to take you back to this poster and remind you what a fable has. What do you find in a fable? Animals, a moral, maybe a hero, a villain, maybe characters with a weakness, maybe 2 or 3 characters, and the setting is outside. So you can try and figure out how these apply to our story and then use them to answer number 2. And this one is your opinion, guys. This one you're going to answer it with, do you agree that common sense is always worth more than cleverness? Do you boys and girls agree with that? If you don't, you can say that you disagree. If you agree, you can say that you agree. You can write in the quote right here, and I want you to tell me a reason why. Now, for today, you're going to take a quiz, and here are the questions. Which sentence from the passage gives you the first clue that Fox thinks very highly of himself? Your answers. This one has 2 parts. Make sure, like we've taken those benchmark tests and they had 2 parts, you answer both parts. The moral of the story, the common sense is always worth more than cleverness. What are the traits that help Cat in this fable? And which detail from the story best supports the answer for part A? So you're going to answer those and you're going to be getting ready to write a paragraph. Now, it says write about the text. Plan your response using the graphic organizer. Use your annotations on pages 88 and 91 to identify the text evidence. Here, it tells you what your writing prompt is. Why was Cat's one trick better than Fox's tricks? After reading The Cat and the Fox, write a paragraph in which you explain why Cat's tricks is better than Fox's tricks. Give examples to support your text to support your discussion. So here you're going to give your introduction or your topic sentence, and I would use this to write my topic sentence. Also, here you're going to give evidence, reason number 1, reason 2, and reason number 3. And I want to get that from the story. And if you remember, we went into the story and we did make some annotations in here. And all these things that we highlighted or we talked about as the character traits. And down here is a big clue that should help you with the writing.